Hi everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to kick off our section on numbered lists. And we're going to start with the range function. So you can use this function to generate a list of numbers. So as you can see, to get us started, I have just entered in some comments, the date, the author and the name of the program, the range function. I'm just going to add in one more comment here to get us started. Using the range function. Perfect. So our first line, for value in range 1 to 5. So this code should be very familiar with you now. Obviously, the first thing you should notice is that it's a for loop. If you haven't noticed that, or if this is unfamiliar to you, go back to the last lecture and have a review. Our next line, obviously it's indented because when we have a for loop, which is closed with a colon, your editor will usually indent the line for you. So print value. Perfect. Now you would think that the output would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you did think that, you're wrong. Because in this example, the range function prints the numbers 1 through 4. So you can see it here in the bottom left, 1 to 4. The range function starts counting at the first value, which is 1, and then stops when it reaches the second last value. Because it stops at the second last value, the output never contains the end number, which in this case would have been 5. So if I change 5 to 6 and run it again, which on the Mac is Command and B, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a quick introduction into the start of this section, which is numerical lists, and using the range function to create any range of numbers that you want. In the next lecture, we're going to be talking about creating another list of numbers. So I'll see you there. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.